Also, you can see here that I'm explaining seems so lifelike, but it was actually generated completely with AI. Now, the crazy thing about this is that YouTube will actually pay you for entertaining people using AI avatars. So as an example of this, we made 8 in one single day this month using video. Now, if we look at this specific video, I actually made $27 in one single day, and it was all generated with AI.
So he actually made money only by using AI.
Let me show you exactly how to build these out. First thing that you want to do is create the video directly inside HeyGen. So you can create an AI avatar inside HeyGen, create a landscape video, and I'll show you how to get these step-by-step SOP.
He's basically talking about this one video. Here we go.
Breaking news, OpenAI just released their new OpenAI O3 Mini, and it's insane. And today, I'm going to blow your mind with what this new AI model can do. This is not just another AI update. OpenAI just dropped something wild. The O3 Mini is here, and it's packing insane reasoning power. It thinks before it speaks.
Wait a minute. We're going to go and check O3 Mini ourselves without doing it ourselves. But before that, I am really jealous about what he has done with this video. This is an AI made video, and it actually made money for him. So I thought, hey, I have my own software. Why not I just go ahead and turn Julian into me? In other words, I will simply turn this money-making video into my video. Let me show you how. Step number 1, enter a title. Mosh becomes Julian. Continue. Click to add a selfie. Click continue and upload the video. Now all you need to do is to click the submit button, and that's it. Wait for the AI to render the file. Okay, my video is ready. I'm going to download it. So this is the original video.
Breaking news, OpenAI just released their new OpenAI O3 Mini, and it's insane.
And this is our AI video.
Breaking news, OpenAI just released their new OpenAI O3 Mini, and it's insane.
Let's play together.
Breaking news, OpenAI just released their new OpenAI O3 Mini, and it's insane. And today, I'm going to blow your mind with what this new AI model can do. This is not just another AI update. OpenAI just dropped something wild. The O3 Mini is here, and it's packing insane reasoning power. It thinks before it speaks, it crushes coding tasks, it's faster and smarter than ever before.
If you like this website, check the link in the description or go to moshbari.com/lucid. It will take you to this website, world's first AI engine that will turn you into a virtual influencer that dominates Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Go and watch this video, check the website, and whenever you are ready, click here and you will be taken to the payment link. And this is probably the only AI application that doesn't charge monthly recurring fees. However, this is a launch special price. If you see monthly recurring, I'm sorry, you are late. So get this while it's still found at one-time price. Okay, back to the video. So let's put O3 Mini into test and see how it works. So what I'm about to do is basically analyze this video and learn from this video fast. I'm going to copy the full transcript and save it somewhere in a notepad. Then I will copy a prompt, paste it here. Then I'll put the transcript here and click enter. Well, it's showing you how it's thinking, how it's creating the structure, evaluating and guiding, summarizing, mapping out the steps, crafting the acronym. I did not give the video link, so it made up a video link all by itself. And then step-by-step summary of the video, the breaking news, revolutionary capabilities, real-world applications, which can be used for boosting SEO or search engine optimization, coding tasks, and business automation. Now the SOP, or standard operating procedure. It's a 3-step process called action. A for assesses capabilities, C for confirm safety, T for tailor strategies, implement solutions, optimize outputs, and navigate expansion. Now this rating is interesting. If you use this O3 Mini model, then content creation on steroids is 4 out of 5 ease of starting, 4 out of 5 ability to make $100 per day, and maintenance 3 out of 5. Interesting. For personal coding assistant, ease of starting is not that easy. Maintenance is not that easy, but ability to make $100 a day, of course. If AI makes your softwares, you definitely make money faster. Market research tool, it's not as good. It's giving you only 3 out of 5. Instant product improvements, ease of starting 3 out of 5, maintenance 3 out of 5. But in my opinion, content creation on steroids 4 out of 5. This is promising. Now here is something interesting. I asked AI to write a BAT style story, which is but and therefore, but it wrote something totally weird. So I'm saying but and therefore story is lame. Improve it, make it good, nice, interesting, funny, and engaging. Let's see what happens. So now it's reasoning, it's crafting, bewitching the tale. Now let's do something more interesting. Let's use a completely free text-to-voice generation AI software. And it is literally challenging 11 labs. So I'm going to copy this whole thing and paste it here. Then I'll choose one of my favorite AI voice, Fenrir, and go start.
In a small town where every day felt like a never-ending school report, there arrived a marvel called O3 Mini. At first glance, it was like finding a secret treasure chest in your backyard. Initially, folks marveled at its super coding skills and clever problem-solving, almost as if the machine had a brain of its own. Yet when Joe, the local dreamer tired of his dreary 9-to-5, decided to harness this wonder for his side hustle, he quickly discovered that miracles came with their own set of quirks. His first attempt to automate a simple task turned into a comedy of errors. The machine even mixed up his grocery list with coding commands. Nonetheless, Joe wasn't discouraged. He adopted a smart plan he called ACTIO. Assess capabilities. Confirm safety.
Okay, you got the point. Now you must be confused and you're thinking, okay, Mosh, where is the money? Where is the step-by-step process to make money? So let me show you where the money is. Look at Julian. Julian originally had an SEO agency and SEO classes, courses, etc. But when AI took over the internet and SEO literally lost its position, Julian had to make a move. So he moved to SEO. And every day he's posting new videos, long videos and short videos. You see tons and tons of short videos. Every time I log into YouTube, I find his videos. And his videos are informative. Now this one video is only around 15 minutes long. And he basically showed how he made money with other videos that were made with AI. But at the end, he also promoted his programs. For example, he has a free SEO strategy session. You have to click here to book a call with him. And in this video, he also shared what he covers in his school community. There are multiple courses, the private playbook, proven AI SOP and templates, etc., etc. So he put his courses, his service and everything inside this community. And to access this community, you have to pay $997 per year. Now, so far I can see 6 members. I'm not sure the 3 admins are also included in the members or not, but when you see 6 members, you can say these 6 people paid $997 for the first year, which means Julian earned $6,000 from this school group. And from his audience size, I can say as he continues to make good content, he will get more and more interested people to join this group and he will make more money. And eventually the people who get benefits from this group will also make money. Now, my point is, this whole channel is about AI, what you can do with AI, what you are missing in AI, what's new in AI. And everyone watching these videos are potential customers. From these AI videos, Julian is earning money. As he shared, the estimated revenue from this channel is $6,891 just from the AdSense alone, plus from these promotions he is making money. So only by keeping yourself updated, learning about this new technology, AI, can potentially make you a lot of money. Now you might be saying, Mosh, I have a 9-to-5 day job or I have a business and I don't have time to make 10-minute long videos every single day. Then I have a solution for you. Instead of making long videos, focus on short videos. That can be AI made or that can be self-made with camera like me, whatever you want. Step number 1, instead of watching funny cat videos, watch videos about AI. Learn about what's hot, what's going on, what's new, what's coming up. Then make short video. They are 30-second to 60-second long. Once you make your short video, upload that video on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. These platforms are in a war. So your videos will get some views, which means real people will see your videos. And then use an automated AI-powered sales funnel. This sales funnel should do the selling on your behalf. And when there is a sale, you should earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. The reason I said affiliate commission is because as an affiliate, you do not need to create product. You do not need website. You do not need selling. You do not need shipping. You do not need to provide customer support. All these are done by product creator. Your job as an affiliate marketer is to create these valuable short-form content and drive traffic to the done-for-you AI-powered sales funnel. Did I just say done for you? Yes, because if you have to do the whole thing, then what is the point of doing affiliate marketing? You can do it for yourself. That's why companies who offer affiliate programs will do this job for you. And in case you don't know that kind of company, you are in luck because we have a program like this. And Alhamdulillah, members of our program are making good money. This is one of the commission that Osman made. Osman has a 9-to-5 day job and he lives in Turkey and he is a traveler. He traveled to 150 countries. Here is another commission, and it was only possible because our program is 99% done for you. So these members don't have to go through the hassle of creating anything themselves. They do not need to make their own website. They do not need their own product. They do not need selling or shipping, and they do not need to provide customer support, because as a product creator, this is our job. Their job is to have fun and spend 45 minutes to 60 minutes per day to use AI, learn about AI, and make this nice, amazing content to attract customers through social media. This whole technical thing is completely done for you by us. If you want to learn more about our program, check the link in the description. You will be taken to this website, and from here you can watch the free training. It's a complete step-by-step training. You will literally learn everything what we do and how we help our beginner members. And if you have any question, feel free to chat with our AI agent. It is trained to answer just like me, and it will give you the right answer. But if you are not happy, you can always DM me on Instagram or message me on Facebook Messenger. I will be more than happy to answer all your questions. This training is completely free to watch. Go ahead, click the link in the description, watch the free training, learn everything, and then you can take an educated decision whether this program is the best fit for you or not. Did you like this video? Hit the like button, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, because this way YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next video. And to learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and I will see you in the next one.